Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, I'm with Chris Nosalik with Electron Automotive in, what is this, Orange, right?
Yeah.
Orange,
California.
Orange, California. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I know you have a busy schedule today and just want to sit down with you. Chris had done a video with Chris Fix, right?
Yeah.
I saw Chris Fix's video where he places the battery on a Prius.
Yep.
And,
second generation, 2004, 2009.
Yeah, so I had seen that video, and I'm actually in Riverside, which is 30 minutes from here. Approached Chris and asked him if we could, collaborate on a video together, and he said, "Yeah, sure, why not? Let's do it." And I know we touched on this, a couple of minutes ago. Do you think Tesla's going to make it as a company?
My personal opinion, I really do. They're great business people. They're building a huge infrastructure. They're revolutionizing things. I mean, going from a regular car to a Tesla is like going from a flip phone to an iPhone. It's revolutionary, best car I've ever had. I still love all the other hybrids, the Priuses, the Volts and stuff, but it's my preference.
Have you seen, what's his name, Rich Rebuilds on YouTube? Have you seen that guy?
Absolutely.
Where he's basically hacking Teslas and trying to get into the systems and trying to rebuild them for people, and Tesla's not being really compliant with him as far as parts or service or technical bulletins or anything like that.
Yeah.
Do you think that's fair, unfair, as far as Tesla holding that information back?
Oh, absolutely unfair. I mean, it's destructive to the free market. They need competition.
Okay.
Just like everyone does, but if you need something, like my own Tesla had a problem. My entire screen went blank. Going on the internet, seeing rough prices, Tesla was $2,500 to get it fixed. All I had to do was replace a circuit board smaller than my cell phone, and it brought it back up. Labor took me less than an hour to do.
You did it here in the shop? Mm-hmm. How'd you get the part?
I got it from another one that was crashed. They won't sell anything to me.
Okay, so you had to go
they won't
find...
sell anything. There's very specific parts they won't sell because of safety.
So you had to go find one, crashed one,
yeah.
eBay?
No, I had a connection.
Okay.
He was able to set me up, told him exactly what was going on, helped me out, and got it going. But I feel they need competition. Bring the prices down. They're refusing to release software so that other people are not able to service it. At least that's my understanding of it.
Just kind of unfair to the market.
Yeah, absolutely. It's monopolized. When something's going wrong, you got to go to Tesla. If they want, $10,000 to fix part A, you don't have any other options. You've got to go with what they say. There are a few people that are rising, like Rich Rebuilds, and I believe there's another guy in Berkeley. I can't remember his name now. They're bringing a lot of attention to it, and I love that. I think the more attention that Tesla gets on it, the more likely they are to open up their software to the general public, shops like us.
Do you see in the future Electron Automotive being a full Tesla shop as well?
I wouldn't full Tesla in regards to specializing on an exclusively. No. Service, absolutely.
Okay.
We're already performing a lot of the services now, but we're locked out of a lot of other things because of the lack of software. Anything that requires a firmware update or a reflash, we're not able to do at the moment. When that
do you have computers that will talk to it, see it, or?
Yes. Yes.
Maybe not.
Not on the level that I would like. It's very primitive.
Okay.
But yes.
Do Prius? I mean, this is kind of off the subject. Do Priuses and like Honda electric vehicles, do they utilize OBD2?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Their systems are very similar to all the other cars. They have main modules, gateways between them. You retrieve error codes the same way that you do in all other cars.
Does Tesla have OBD2?
Yeah, they have a connector. They communicate through a different connector, or their primary communication through a different one. Okay. But yes, they do.
Have you heard that OBD3 is coming out soon?
Yeah, there's been a lot of talk about that for a while.
I've heard 2021, 22.
Okay.
But I don't know anything. There's very, very little information about it on the internet. I've tried looking it up, but I don't know, just...
Yeah, there's been talk about it for a while. I'm always excited for new technology.
You love it, or what?
Oh,
embrace it, yeah?
Absolutely, that's what we're all about here, all of the change. It's the carburetors and stuff that I hate, but A lot of that probably has to do with my inability to work on them. So,
The Priuses and the Hondas have a battery pack. Are they relatively the same weight and size? Are they different? Is one bigger than the other one?